Guys, what are you guys doing?
Nothing, I'm just talking lah.
Talking ah? Hey, I got good news to share with you now.
What news?
You guess.
New underwear.
No lah.
New girlfriend.
No lah.
New bubble tea.
I know lah. Yeah. This something new that I want to share. It's better than all the news you say no. It's my new GoPro Hero 7 Black. See, so cool, so crispy. Black color. Not bad.
Hey, Eric. What? You very action
Oh, yeah.
You know the real action thing is here with me because I have the DJI Osmo Action Camera. Whoa, look at that.
Can I touch?
Touch.
What?
But something. But this was also very nice to touch. See, guys. See,
Hey, you again.
yeah. You know why now? Because I say my GoPro Hero 7 now got screen screen so crispy I can see what I'm recording Not like the older GoPros I cannot see anything.
Hey, Eric. Show everyone your screen. Guys, how many screen on the GoPro?
One.
Exactly! One screen. Your 2015 man. Look at my DJI Osmo Action Camera. Got one screen on the front, one screen on the back. And I can switch from front to back by simply tapping two fingers. That and then it switches to the screen. So I can vlog, I can take selfie, I can see myself on the screen. No need to guess whether I'm in the screen or not. Like that. Hey, it's just like that. Hey Josh, push the camera up.
Okay.
Faster. Good morning guys, it's a beautiful morning today on Saturday. Today we are gonna have a fun day because now I'm going for breakfast. So it's Monday again, means it's podcast recording day and we are having dinner at Fishbowl.
I can see myself.
Yes. Why we can see ourselves? Because there's a screen on the front of this DJI Osmo Action Camera. So amazing. Hey Ross,
See yourself.
Oh my goodness, I can
can
hold
fit
my
not?
hand.
Can fit not?
Can. Wow, never before I had a camera I can hold myself inside. Now I finally can. So this is the DJI what?
DJI
Osmo. Yes, I heard all my friends talking.
Hey, still looking up there. No more already lah. The story.
no more.
Yeah, that's the story of my vlogging with the DJI Osmo Action lah.
Wow, this action camera very nice. I want one by myself. Bring all over a country when I travel. Vlog.
Hey, Eric, you look at your one and only screen lah.
Hey, but Victor, this one can tap. I think can tap. Hey, try.
Eric, hey, listen, what are you doing?
No lah, I'm trying to find these functions on my GoPro Hero 7 The settings are so... I cannot find
In life, the simpler things is always better. Just like my DJI Osmo Action, look at that. Wow, so nice. Someone got one button here. One button, it's called quick switch. That means I just press one time to switch mode, from camera to video to time lapse, anything you want, just press only.
Hey, but Jason, my GoPro also can...
In life, water bottle is to carry water only. Okay? Cap is to wear the head only. Okay? Wallet is to keep money only. See, it's so I still got key is to open the car door only. Okay? So it's very simple. In life, it's like this,
Eric running.
I saw him.
Eric, hey, what's up with you, man?
No lah, I'm trying out this function on my GoPro Hero 7 Black. It's the super smooth footages I can get from the hyper smooth function. Can say my shot can look like jelly.
You know what's this? Rock. It's a rock. It is the DJI Osmo Action rock steady footages I can make, you see Now look, my DJI Osmo Action can take so smooth footage, rock steady. Look up. What? You stay your hyper smooth.
Eh, guys. Whoa, they play football. Luckily, my GoPro Hero 7, I can take video with the quick capture function with just one button.
Wow, capture.
Oh,
Yo,
yeah, see.
what is this? GoPro? Yeah. I also can see with my snapshot feature. I just press like that. Wow, see, recording already.
Eh, GoPro Hero 7 also can one button only what?
Eh, different, okay? Your one button cannot do anything. My one button I can customize, okay? I can customize, you take video, photo, time lapse, time shot, burst shot, espresso shot, matcha shot, everything can. Customize button, okay?
有冇？ Eh, Victor, what was it?
I see you put lor.
Eh, you know not? My GoPro Hero 7 without the casing can last up to 10 meters.
10 meters only
Yeah.
The other day I take Josh's DJI Osmo Action, right? I can go up to 11 meters.
11?
Come, I show you.
So good this camera.
Guys,
Huh?
I know with the DJI Osmo Action is lack of.
What?
Not like my GoPro Hero 7 Black. I have full-on accessories. See not? GoPro Hero 7 is.
So can fit, what?
What else can fit?
Eh, this also can fit, what?
Okay, guys.
I think all can fit.
Come on, let's go.
Eh, then we take lah. Eh, thanks.
Thanks, okay, fit.
Hey guys, don't do so for my Hero, my GoPro Hero 7. No, we're doing. Hey.